The Honda CB series has long been a staple in the world of standard motorcycles, known for its reliable performance, timeless design, and approachable character. In 2025, Honda continues this legacy with the release of the new CB400, a refined and modernized version of the classic middleweight naked bike. While staying true to its heritage, the 2025 CB400 brings fresh updates that make it more appealing than ever for both new riders and seasoned enthusiasts. In this video, we'll explore everything you need to know about the 2025 Honda CB400, its design, performance, technology, comfort, and why it stands out in the crowded mid-range motorcycle segment. Classic styling, modern touches. The CB400 has always embraced the "less is more" philosophy, and the 2025 model carries that tradition forward with elegant simplicity. The design is unmistakably retro-inspired, featuring a round LED headlamp, a sculpted fuel tank, and minimalistic side panels. But this time, it's enhanced with subtle modern touches. The LED lighting all around, digital instrumentation, and crisp paint finishes give the bike a contemporary edge without losing its classic charm. New color schemes for 2025 include a deep metallic red, pearl white with gold accents, and a sleek matte black. These choices reinforce the CB400's appeal to riders who appreciate both aesthetics and individuality. While it looks vintage at first glance, the attention to detail in the fit and finish reveals Honda's commitment to quality. Engine and performance. At the heart of the 2025 CB400 is a refined 399 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, inline-four engine, a configuration that's increasingly rare in today's market. This engine delivers smooth power, high-revving excitement, and a distinctive exhaust note that only a four-cylinder can produce. Honda has fine-tuned the power delivery to be linear and predictable, making it ideal for urban riding and spirited weekend trips. The engine produces approximately 48 horsepower and 38 Nm of torque, striking a perfect balance between performance and everyday usability. Thanks to fuel injection and modern engine management, throttle response is crisp, and emissions are kept well within €5+ compliance. Riders can expect responsive acceleration, excellent top-end performance, and a smooth ride even at higher RPMs. Transmission and handling. Mated to the engine is a 6-speed transmission that shifts with typical Honda precision. The gearing is well spaced for both city commuting and highway cruising, with a light clutch pull that won't fatigue the rider in stop-and-go traffic. The inclusion of a slipper clutch in the 2025 model is a welcome update, providing smoother downshifts and better control under hard braking. Handling-wise, the CB400 is nimble and confidence-inspiring. It features a steel double cradle frame that offers a great blend of stability and flexibility. The suspension setup includes a telescopic front fork and dual rear shocks, both tuned for comfort without S. Brakes and safety features. Honda has equipped the CB400 with a solid braking system, dual 296mm front discs with 2 piston calipers and a single rear disc. ABS comes standard, ensuring safe and controlled braking in all conditions. The system is unobtrusive but effective, giving riders peace of mind during emergency stops or on slippery surfaces. In terms of rider aids, Honda keeps it simple yet effective. The CB400 doesn't overwhelm with unnecessary electronics, but it does include essential features like traction control, which can be turned off for more experienced riders. The bike also comes with an emergency stop signal feature that rapidly flashes the rear indicators under hard braking to warn vehicles behind, an often overlooked, but very useful safety addition. Instrumentation and technology. The 2025 CB400 features a compact full LCD instrument cluster. It's easy to read, even under direct sunlight, and displays all essential information including speed, RPM, gear position, fuel level, and a trip computer. While it doesn't include a full-color TFT screen or smartphone connectivity like some competitors, Honda's approach is intentionally minimalistic and rider-focused. The cluster is mounted high for better visibility and is surrounded by classic chrome accents, blending the old with the new. There's also a USB-C charging port discreetly tucked under the seat, perfect for charging devices on the go. Comfort and ergonomics. Ergonomics have always been a strong point for the CB400, and the 2025 model continues that tradition. The riding position is upright and neutral, offering excellent comfort for riders of all sizes. The seat height sits at around 785 mm, which is approachable for most riders, while the slim tank design makes it easy to reach the ground. Honda has added thicker seat padding this year, improving long-distance comfort without compromising the bike's sleek silhouette. The wide handlebars and mid-mounted foot pegs make for a natural posture that's suitable for daily commutes or weekend adventures. Passenger comfort hasn't been ignored either. A decently sized pillion seat and grab rails are included. Fuel efficiency and practicality. The CB400 isn't just fun, it's practical too. With a fuel tank capacity of 17 liters and a fuel efficiency of around 28 to 30 kilometers per liter, it offers excellent range. That's nearly 500 kilometers on a full tank, making it a great choice for those who love longer rides or need a reliable commuter. Maintenance is simple and affordable, another hallmark of Honda engineering. The bike is built to last, with solid materials, easy access to components, and Honda's extensive service network supporting it worldwide. Price and final thoughts. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Honda CB400 sits comfortably in the middleweight naked category, offering outstanding value. While prices vary slightly depending on region and market, it's expected to retail between $6,500 and $7,500 US, depending on Spec A.